this one up?
You twist it.
Oh, you twist it?
Twist it, there, yeah. Yeah, he was driving this before.
Yeah, I know, it's very far back.
Yeah.
In the chill position.
Cool, so hopefully you won't be looking, but I'll put that in the awesome mode.
Okay.
So hopefully you'll be able to see it on the camera.
Yeah.
Because that's
Boosting
always a bit of fun.
everything,
Yeah, yeah.
Sweet.
You can turn the heating down.
Yeah, it's quite warm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It helps it cool down when it's come back in after it's been out. So I put the heating up here to the back. Put the windows down as well if you want.
There you go.
Just a touch. Alright, so.
It's just changing gears with these two things then? Yeah?
That's it, yeah. But I'm afraid we can't launch it. As much fun as it would be,
no.
but because the gearbox can be quite delicate.
Okay.
So trust me, you'll forget about that by the time you put your foot down in third. Like it shifts. It does take. There's a lot of turbo lag compared to the Porsche, a lot.
Okay.
But yeah, you'll feel once it starts to go, you'll be like, oh, okay, what is this? But yeah, it's awesome fun. This car, awesome fun.
Oh, I can't
but yeah, so you'll probably put your foot down thinking, what is this? What is this? But yeah. Just wait, it will go, it will go. Alright, so yeah, foot on the brake.
Yep.
Push the top of the knob down and then breathe all the way down to the bottom. So we're in manual mode, as you can see, it says M next to the 1.
Oh yeah, 1M.
So handbrake off. Now if you bring your foot forward, off the brake, sorry.
Okay.
Roll forward, and yeah, we can head out. But yeah, just gentle on the first couple of gear changes. It is a shame we can't, even we can't. So yeah, I'll put the seconds. That's right. I'll put the third. There we go, so now we're done with the gears. Braking. Up off the brakes, turning in. I'll be nice and tight for the cone here on the inside. Now gently out to the left. Into the middle now. Now we'll open the curbs. Tight to the left hand side now. Back out to the middle of the circuit. Nice and gently turning in, nice and tight over the curbs on the inside. Now keep right. Touch your brakes into the corner, up off the brakes. Nice and tight on the inside too. The exit curbs. Gently through the chicane, start to build the car now. Foot hard down. Up off the brakes, turn it in. Get it nice and tight. Now gentle on the power. Now foot hard down, keep left. Braking. Up off the brakes, turn it in. Come in nice and tight. Now working your way out to the left. And into the middle of the circuit now. And now in over the curbs. Tight to the left as well, easing off the accelerator, coming in tight over the curbs on the inside, and I'm keeping right, braking into the corner. Two wheels out over the exit curbs, nice and gently through the chicane, start to build the power up now, foot hard down, braking, up off the brakes, turn in, and nice and tight, not too early, wait till you pass the cone, now foot hard down, keep left, braking, up off the brakes, turn in, coming nice and tight, and now just gentle on the accelerator, because once you get a surge, you'll go, but out to the left, and now into the middle, and now coming in tight, nice, good, tight on the left as well, back out to the middle of the circuit, and now in over the curbs, nice and tight, 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 that's it, good, now keep right, braking into the corner, two wheels out over the exit curbs, nice and gently through the chicane, start to build the power now, foot hard down, now braking, up off the brakes, turning in, remember wait till you pass the cone, already put your foot down, start to build it up now, foot hard down, keep left, braking, up off the brakes, nice and tight for the cone. Now working your way out to the left hand side. Coming to the middle of the circuit now. And now in over the curbs here on the right, tight to the left hand side. Now easing off the accelerator, back out to the middle of the circuit, keep turning, nice and tight. That's it, now keep right, braking into the corner. Up off the brakes, tight for the cone. Two wheels out over the exit curbs. Start to build the power up, nice and gently through the chicane. Now foot hard down. We're into the pits, so go straight on in. What do you think of that?
Unreal.
It's insane, isn't it?
Favorite one, yeah.
It really is.
Unbelievable.
You see what I mean? The difference between this and a Porsche in terms of the turbo lag.
Oh man.
So the first time you're like,
As soon as it
what is
kicks
this?
in, it just
and
went.
then, yeah, we'll pull up where we came from. So behind the Ferrari on the right. Yeah.
Oh, and was that in front?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Either one of them will do. This one's closer though. So yeah. Nice man. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Good stuff.
That was cool. And you're saving it out until last. So,
Yeah.
No, seriously, man. Have you done any sort of
No, this is my first
track
time.
stuff? No, you're quick. You're quick. But the only thing I'd say, like, just as a matter of helping you in the Atto more than anything else, just be nice and gentle on the accelerator.
Okay.
You've been all right so far, like, and you've not been like, trust me, I've had way worse.
Oh really?
You've not been anything ridiculously like on off or anything like that. But there's been a couple of times where you sort of started to get going and then backed out of it and stuff like that. You just want to be nice and gentle.
Yeah.
Because firstly it's faster, but secondly it also builds up
Yeah.
keeps the balance of the car.
Yeah.
Other than that, you're really good, and you're not doing it too much. It's just a couple of times.
Yeah.
But
That's
yeah,
grand.
seriously, man, you've been quick.
Thank you very much.
Nice
It's
to
been
meet
great.
you.
It's been a pleasure.
Good. All right. Oh.
Before you jump out, just get your 4 trades.